Hi you guys. So right now I'm just demonstrating my rose and hibiscus pedicure. I'm pushing her cuticles back to make sure her toenails are nice and clean. Make sure we getting all that excess cuticle off. So right now I'm just buffing her toenails to make sure they're nice and smooth. So right now I'm just clipping her cuticles. So right now I'm just applying cuticle oil. The cuticle oil is just gonna bring moisture back into her toenails. And so right now I'm just filing her calluses. Well, she didn't really have calluses. Like her feet were good, but I'm just getting the excess dead skin off to make sure that they're nice and soft. Oh, and I forgot to mention, before I scrubbed her other foot, like I put callus remover on just to make it like easier for all the dead skin to come off. But yeah, so then after that I just scrubbed her foot, but I kind of edited that part out because y'all already saw it. So right now I'm using my lovely rose and hibiscus foot scrub, made by yours truly. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. Y'all can't smell it through the thing, but y'all, oh, it smells so good. Like, y'all come get a pedicure, y'all gonna be like, dang, that smells good. But yeah, so it's just a sugar scrub with coconut oil, grapeseed oil. It has a lot of different oils in it, and the oils are for different things, but they mainly like hydrate your skin, leave your skin moisturized after your pedicure, and the most important part, it smells so good. So right now I'm just giving her a leg and foot massage using a rose massage lotion. Oh yeah, and I use hot rocks too. So right now I'm just adding paraffin to her feet, and paraffin is really good for a lot of different things. It helps to relax muscles, it increases skin elasticity, it softens your skin really good. So like if you have really dry, cracked hands or feet, getting a paraffin wax is really good for that. It treats sprains, it helps with arthritis, it helps with muscle swelling, and it's a really, really, really good moisturizer, like I said. So the paraffin wax plus my scrub, tuh, man, her feet soft as you know what. So right now I'm just removing the paraffin from her feet, and I'm about to add a nice hot towel. So right now I'm finishing up the pedicure, and before I polish, I always take like a alcohol wipe and just remove any oils that are on her toenails, because that'll like ruin the polish.